and Indo-US relations have already been on the slide after the Korba Day episode, and now India is talking tough in the US to curb the H-1B visas. In its strongest attack yet, the Indian ambassador to the United States, Jaishankar, has warned the United States firms of serious consequences if America moves to tighten the norms. We've got Chandra Shrikant standing by with all of the details. Chandra, what are you picking up?
This is very important because it's the strongest attack yet by the Indian ambassador to the US. In an interview to AFP, S. Jaishankar has warned US firms in India of serious consequences if the US goes ahead and enacts that immigration reform bill which proposes serious curbs as far as H-1B visas are concerned. It's something that could affect the tech industry in a big way. So the ambassador has taken a very tough stance on this issue. To really quote him on this, he said that it is very harmful for India and that it will also end up being harmful to US and the relationship between India and US. He's also gone on to say that if we don't get a fair deal from them, then India will have to think twice about concerns that are raised by US firms operating in the country. So those are really some very serious statements coming in from the ambassador there. And remember, it comes in the backdrop of the Indo-US relations already on a strain because of the Devyani Khobragade episode. So we'll have to wait and see what impact the immigration reform bill is going to have on Indo-US ties. But this is clearly a very strong statement coming in from the US ambassador, even as the immigration bill is being debated in the US.